Today I'm going to show you that Raspberry Pi can run almost any programming language. Raspberry Pi is a single board computer. It is a fully working PC with Linux. If you like it, you must subscribe the channel. I will upload such video every week. If you have any suggestion, please comment below. Lastly, like the video. Here I have a Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 GB. I have already set up and configured my VS Code for 10 programming languages. It is a very time consuming process for as little computer Raspberry Pi. So any further delay, let's start. Firstly, I open VS Code and select any folder, then create a app.c file. Here I made a hello world simple C program and run it with my terminal. This is app.c and it's perfectly compiled, and run the a.out file. Print the hello world, so Raspberry Pi can run C programming without any kind of problem. Next, we can create a file for C++, app.cpp file, and create a simple hello world program. And run it with run and without debug. This is C++ and G++8. Raspberry Pi compile the C++ and wait a minute. And here we can see the hello world from C++ file print in our terminal. Next, we are creating a JavaScript file app.js and simple and this JS file run with Node.js and 100% working. Let's create a next Python file app.py and simply print hello py and run it my terminal. Is 100% working in my Raspberry Pi. And next we can create a PHP file and echo out something. Welcome from PHP and run it with my terminal, and it is 100% working here, so we can see the hello from PHP. Next, we create a Java program and make a simple then simply run it with here you can see hello Java from Java program. Next, working with some R. Hello world. Next, print my screen and run it with my terminal. Or capital letter of R and -f, then the file name .r, and the hello world from this string. So our program is 100% working in my Raspberry Pi. Next we can working with Rust m.rs and function main print ln hello world and close, then run with my terminal using Rust C and file name. Working, and then we can just run app. We can see the hello world. It is come from this Rust file. And next we can work for Golang. It is a package main import fmt line close and function mmn close, and we just simply run it with go and m.go and sorry, it's my mistake, go run then file name. Here we can see the hello world from go. First time some problem creating, and next we can create a Ruby program. So we create a m.ruby and just pu sorry, I made a mistake. .ruby and just simply run it with my terminal. Ru ruby .ruby. there is hello world from RB. This is how we can work with Raspberry Pi with any programming language in Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a powerful enough for programming. If you like it, please comment and like the video, subscribe the channel.